Y'all, we at Beachwood Resort. We in the Outer Banks. Look at the beautiful lake. And this how we pulling up. This is crazy. We finna pull up to the security welcome guest check-in. Y'all got to see the room. Look at this. So this is the aquatic center. This is the water sports side. We still have to go in there, and it's still active. We should go in here, babe. Let's go swimming. I know they got a jacuzzi.
How late is it open?
I don't know, but we need to.
It might be on that paper she did.
Yeah, but we pulling up to the security right now to finish my Jersey Mike's, y'all. Alright, so we at the villa. And I'm finna show y'all the room. Let's get it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We at 802. Let's get the key, boo. Let's start by showing off the hallway. Got the appliances, whirlpool, hallway. Alright, now we shouldn't show the room. Here, grab this. It's about to fall. No. Alright, so this the room, y'all. This is crazy. Okay, so I don't even know where to start. This the couch. It looked like a pull-out couch. First of all, flat screen TV, right? We ain't even cut the TV on. Oh, they got a phone and everything. Look. Hello? Hello? Okay. Moving forward. Beautiful appliances. Stove. We can cook and everything. We got the toaster. We got the GE microwave. We got a bay and a mirror. Sink. Look, we got a coffee maker, refrigerator, freezer, full size, cranberry juice. Now look, we got the 100% cranberry and the Simply lemonade. Don't play with us. 2 drinks plus plenty of water. Jack Daniels, whiskey, Duplin wine. We got more wine in the room. And snacks. This is my snacks. Cookies from last night. I ain't finished them. I found these at the gas station. Reese's Pop Snack Mix. I ain't opened them yet, but Cheetos. I need some help picking out some good snacks. But ain't these busting those white cheddar Cheetos? I got all the unhealthy shit. Don't judge me. It's okay. Oh, wait. Apple. To balance it all out. More water. And my Jersey Mike sub, a sub above. I had me a Philly cheesesteak. Ain't even gonna count. It's me. But let me show y'all the rest of the suite. I gotta eat some of my sandwich. I ain't even gonna count. Okay. So this the room. Nice, huge, king-size bed. And look, it's a seahorse. And the seahorse is for the beach. Got my clothes. Bay clothes. Y'all pack way too much stuff. This how I was supposed to pack. And this is how I really pack. Oh my God, don't judge me. And this is the beautiful room, y'all. We got a closet. I could have put some of my clothes in the closet, but I didn't. Some hangers. Maybe I put my fit in there. Extra blankets, pillows. What's that called? Iron. Got the blind. Open them up. Got the cars out there. Oh. Okay. I just put y'all on. I'll be buying all of it up because I need to still find some of the stuff. But yeah. And then let me show y'all the bathroom. With the J's. I still got sand on my toes from the beach, y'all. I'm gonna have to get these toes done for facts. But yeah, so y'all love the hotel? Or no, the villa. Let me correct y'all. Wait, I ain't show y'all the last thing. We got another closet in here. Wait, what's this? Oh, this leads to the other room. That leads to the other room. I didn't even know that. Let me show you the outside. More closets. Oh, that's locked. I don't know where this leads to. Closet space. Rooms. And we at Beachwood, y'all. Oh, there's somebody here. Somebody must have been staying here because they got their lights. Oh, maybe they left. It looked like they left today. Because they got their towels on the floor. But this is another suite from the inside. And then this is the outside area. And it's 4 tables. It's a little propane tank that I have seen out there. And literally, I think that leads to the lake. It's stairs leading, and then it's a gate, and I'm pretty sure that's a lake. We can go fishing out here. They provide fishing poles. More stairs. And this is leading to the back way outside. This is so dope. I love it so much. But let me go back inside. So, this is my review. Beachwood. 802B. I love it. Don't you love it, baby? Alright, I'm getting ready to go eat. Catch y'all later. Ciao.